Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground, we make sure that he don't get up. Call the reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40, asking is my glizzy tuck. Only like it sloppy, she gon' be boss when she.
What's goody? It's your boy, the Kilos, and I'm back with another bang. Fair boys, man, I'm back with another banger. Guys, today I'm going to be reacting to The Boys of RSA. I'm about to react to Last to Let Go of the play button wins the play button.
Stop the cap.
So if you let go first, you lose. If you let go last, you keep the button. So like, let's get into the one and set time, man. Guys, before I get into this video, just want to say this. I'm trying to be consistent. Like, I've been dropping bangers. So if you didn't, go check out my last video. I'm gonna pop it right here. Go check out my last video, man. I've been dropping bangers, man. Like, yeah, just like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna say.
Another video. If you're new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment and share this with your friends. You know what it do, I'm chilling with the boys. We have just received our 100,000 subscriber play button.
I mean, like, we all knew they were gonna see the 100K, man. We all knew that. It's like, come on now, they've been grinding. No hate.
I'ma go blind, yes, I'ma go blind.
Bro, I love how they kill. Yeah, the boy. It's dramatic.
Your first subscriber. Your 100.
But it's just 10-minute video, so like I'm ish. Nah, let's just get into the thing.
So guys,
yeah. But if you didn't know, the person who started this channel, it was Richie, and I know that because I've been watching this guy. But like, it was Richie, I think. Yeah, and then he let his friends join, and then it started growing. But it's in the channel. I don't want hate. Just like, comment, subscribe, go check him out, man. The Boys RSA. Almost did us that. RSA, man. Let's get it. Let's go.
Change your plans, no one's to eat because everyone's kid, they're gonna need to use the bathroom. So it's just gonna be challenges. Yeah, let's go after the challenges, man. I don't know, I was like thinking of yours jumping all at the same time. And also squat, yo. So 5 jumps, then squat on the last one. I will just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But it's kind of weird, bro. I wanna one day meet them, no cap. Like, I wanna one day meet them. I will one day meet them, no cap.
Easier for someone to let go, because honestly, we're sick of all this. What, like 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Now let's be. If you put your foot on the floor, you put your hand on your head for an hour. And that's helpless. Yeah, just don't eat.
Bro, big shout out to Richie for even letting them, like. But I'm not gonna say even, because like they started growing once they had the boys in the boys, so I don't know, but big shout out to them. Big shout out to him for letting them like share this channel, no cap. I wonder how they split the money. Like, I wonder, like it's wondering, no cap. But they are he said in Tando. But they are drippy. I don't want to keep. They are drippy. Just look at the drip. Let me just rewind. Let me see. Look at the drip. Nigga got the what is it, Jordan 1s. But they got the Jordan 1s, Air Force, drip, Air Force, but they every day looking drip, no care. Dando, yo, Dando.
Viewers, what do you guys think? Take it back a few seconds. I will now remove the full screen thing.
So if you didn't know the challenges, it was like if you let go or if you lift up your finger, you lose the challenge. You don't get to keep the 100k plague. Why do I say? Why do I keep on saying plague? Play plague button. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to make it harder for us to let go of this, can you please give us a chance to do? No, a little bit blank. Yo. For how long? A minute. That's simple. Never mind. Let's bash. 1, 2, 3, 4.
But I just want to say this, bro. I would never, bro. The thing about me, bro, I don't like sharing. This is the thing. Like, I don't like sharing. If you own a channel together, and then we get to split this money, and then like you rob me, and then you get the bigger money, you get the least money, bro. I don't want to do that. So like I don't want to share anything. That's why I don't like people on my channel. I just like being alone. Jokes. Plank.
What is that doing? What is this? Is that a plank? That's not a plank. This guy's gonna lie on the floor.
But what are you doing? But it's kind of like robbing because like you can see the fingers like under the plague. So like you keep on doing this, you can keep on doing this. Don't see, bro. Like that's how they did it. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna tell you this. When I get my player, like quote this. Like quote this. When I get my 100k player plague button. Wait, I say player plague button. Just want to do this challenge. I just want to do this stream on YouTube, and then like let's fall asleep.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
With I don't know. Bro, he's bro, he really wants to keep this thing.
One is gonna be number 2. You wait. Get it? Number 2. Oh wait, 2.
Nah, this is unfair, bro. You can't let a subscriber or a person choose a number between 1 to 5, and then I choose 3, and then you choose 3, and then you get out because you're number 3. Nah, I won't do that, bro. That's unfair. Let's do a challenge. Bro, I'm on 5 minutes, bro. Let me see.
Automatically number 5 is Reggie. Don't you know 5 is just an easy number to say like now 5. Okay, now Toriso, I'm gonna need you to pick a number from 1 to 5. Pick a number, then the number you pick, then it's out. Yo. Point of the video. Nah, let's just pick it. Nah, we must eat. Yeah. Even if it's at 2 a.m., we're gonna go to your house. I say we go. Nah. Oh wait, let's pick. Who says pick? Yeah, after house you pick me. If you don't like to pick me. Okay, now all of us at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That's too easy. Even wait. Who picked Nanda? All of us. Everybody picked Nanda. You know what? Yeah, well, sorry guys. There's no challenge. We're tired. Like this challenge. He's getting up like this. I want to go home. You let go get us. What do you mean?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
This dude. thing is, no one was letting go. I don't know. Exactly. Why did you let go? Exactly. I was like, people were looking at me. Why? But they were looking like, no. This must be because you lost the most. You lost the most. In their mind, it was like, this must be your friend. Any challenge. Yeah, any challenge.
But so like, who won? I'm confused. Who won?
So basically, the challenge I was giving to us, we have to try and reach that thing from on this line. You're not allowed to, like, it's still on the line, but I don't think you can. Yeah, and you have to reach the thing. Basically.
Oh,
Yes, sir. I'm going over this flag.
Well, how do you feel, boy?
I thought I was winning, guys, but. And Kushi, you do, right? Before you guys continue watching, our friend Assessa has just dropped her new music video. Click right here as soon as you guys are done watching.
hello, bro. Sorry to cut you off, but I ain't trying to make this video 15 minutes. It's just my time and my space.
Go home together, gents. Nah, let's. You see what he's
I'll never do. 2 men! Never. Proper, we saw who won the things. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll see our TheBoyzRSA video. Just want to react to this. Yeah, see the boys of the RSA. I keep on saying RSA. RSA, man. Y'all saw the boys, man. Like, man, shout out to them, man. 127 subscribers. That's lit. That's lit.
Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground. We make sure that he don't get up. Call the reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick